Welcome to this Delftstack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to delete Gmail search history. Clearing search history helps protect privacy and removes old search session from Gmail first. Open Gmail in your web browser and make sure you are signed in with your account. Next, click on the search bar and you will see the histories are there. To delete search history, the most easiest way is just by hovering on the history that you want to delete. And you will see a remove from history or a cross icon on the right side. Just click on the cross icon and as you can see, the history has been deleted. Do the same for other history that you want to delete, and the history will be deleted. And that's it. We just learned how to clear Gmail search history in the most easiest way there is. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next Delftstack tutorial videos.